Mr. Azad Hassan and family, community members of Sakoca, Tamavua, Alim Sahib and Wali Sahib, and to Mr. Azad's mum, invited guest members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Very good evening also. It gives me great pleasure to be here, and just watching Mr. Azad reminds me of another story and another gentleman from Vanwalevu who is now a very, very successful businessman. And he came from Vanwalevu around about the same age as you. I won't name his name. In fact, he's just moved out to Australia just for a little while, and he came from Vanwalevu to Suva with $60 in his pocket. And today he has about 7 or 8 shops around Suva and around Fiji, and he's done extremely well for himself, purely because of hard work, the same way you have, and being faithful, like you said. When I think about small businesses, ladies and gentlemen, I have a very special sentiment, because it means that we are supporting a local community, and we are empowering budding business owners like Azad to progress. Azad's business venture, and I think it's actually quite a catchy name, Wrong Turn Corner Shop. I can certainly say that you've made the right turn when you opened the shop. But it's certainly a catchy name. It will serve not only the people of this community, but also those that are living in and around the Sakoca area. Small businesses, as you know, most of them don't open from 9 to 5 or to 6. You're pretty much on the go the whole time, especially with a little shop like this. You must always take notice of many of our large companies around the country. Many of them started like this, Azad. You must remember that. And it's not an easy task, but if you are faithful and true to your cause, then you should be successful. We must learn the lessons of the successes of the big businesses that we have. Many of them that I know that are now multi-millionaires, almost reaching billionaires, started with a little shop in Sakoca or a little shop in Bar. And it was a little dream then, but that dream has come to fruition because of honesty, which you must always have, and just being faithful to the core of what you believe in. And they've also now, these big businesses and our small businesses are playing a major part in our economic recovery, and also creating jobs. You know, it doesn't matter whether you've got a small corner shop or you've got a hotel that has 500 staff. At the end of the day, if you succeed here, you may also create jobs for people around the community. I want to pay tribute also, ladies and gentlemen, to the work and the achievement of Azad and his family, as you heard earlier on. I'm gathering that he's your best friend, yes, about the hard work and the commitment that you've had throughout your life, your family life. And I would want to pay tribute, as I say, to the work and the achievements of you and your family, and also to the team at the Fiji Development Bank that has seen his passion, and they're ready to assist, and also at the ministry. It's certainly not a small feat to start this. You must have a dream, and I take my hat off to you, sir. The Fijian government, ladies and gentlemen, believes in small businesses. Now, my ministry is involved in the MSME sector quite heavily, and I'm happy to see what has transpired here today. We believe in small businesses because small businesses encourage the creation of jobs and wealth, and it actually embodies independence, and it's actually part of the roots of a free society. I'm told that the new business will be selling general grocery items, frozen goods and confectionery, and you'll be open 7 days a week. It's not easy, but I'm sure you'll be successful. I understand also this is driven by you and your spouse and your family-owned business. We plan to create some employment also, which is a wonderful feat. And once it's actually up and running, ladies and gentlemen, he has a dream to open up a bakery around here too. And I wish you well, and I hope you do that as quickly as possible. And also wholesale in the future. There are many things that we can learn from Azad's journey, and I'm saying this to all the younger people out here. As a simple man from Senanga, as you all heard, who came to Suva some 17 years ago, and today he's already somewhat successful. He owns a taxi, has a home, and coming from an agricultural background, early days in Suva would have required a lot of perseverance and a lot of hard work. And being employed as a service station attendant is not easy. He's always dreamt of owning his own business and something that belongs to him. And we're celebrating the achievement today. This dream of his has actually come true. Today is not a day for long speeches. We have been hit by COVID. Please maintain your COVID-safe protocols also whilst we're here. We've been hit by COVID. The entire economy has suffered. And it's so wonderful to see that people, it's not just the government, it's about people who are also taking an effort in ensuring that we recover as quickly as possible. As I said, today is not about long speeches and reminding everyone of the achievements of the Fijian government, which you're all aware of. It's also about creating a new culture of entrepreneurship. And that's important. Every Fijian should dream. And empowering job creators. I've always talked about job creators and job seekers, and Azad is a job creator, and this is why the Fijian government gives so much attention to small businesses as such. I want to warmly congratulate you on your achievements so far, and I wish you well in the future, and with a significant investment in Sakoca, and which I'm sure the community of Tamuvua will enjoy. So with those few words, congratulations once again, and I'm sure I speak on behalf of everybody. We are very proud of you in terms of what you've achieved so far, and may you continue to be blessed. Shukriya.
There we go. The opening of Wrong 10 Corner Shop. फिर अंग्रेजी में मास्टर साहब को मैं गुजारिश करता हूँ कि वो आए और शुक्राने के अल्फाज पेश करेंगे.
The hardworking members of the Fijian government, and do you say your
करता हूँ कि जो भी लोग जिस भी तरह से इनको